like the times that we spent hiding out from the rain, oh, under the carnival tent. Laughed and she'd smiled, it would last for a while. You don't know what you got till you lose it all again. Listen to the Mandolin Rain, listen to the music on the lake. Oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low. Hey, listen to the tears as they roll down my face as she turns to go. On a cool evening dance, listen to the bluegrass band takes a chill from the air till they play the last song. I'll do my time keeping you off my mind, but there's moments that I find, oh, I'm not feeling so strong. Listen to the Mandolin Rain, listen to the music on the lake. Oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low. Hey, listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Running down by the lake shore, she did love the sound of a summer storm. It played on the lake like a mandolin, now it's washing her away once again, again, again. Well, the boat's steaming in, oh, I watch the sideways spin, and I think about her when I hear that whistle blow. I can't change my mind, I knew all the time she'd go, but that's a choice I made long ago. Listen to the Mandolin Rain, listen to the music on the lake. Oh, listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low. Hey, listen to the tears as they roll down my face as she turns to go. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, the sun is up. The sun. Listen to the Mandolin Rain. Listen. Oh, listen to the river sing sweet songs to rock my soul. Fare thee well, I love you more than words can tell. Listen to the river sing sweet songs to rock my soul. Going home by the waterside, I would rest my bones. Listen to the river sing sweet songs to rock my soul. Fare thee well, I love you more than words can tell. Listen to the river sing sweet songs to rock my soul.
Thanks a lot.